Welcome to Petcetera. We recently had a really busy weekend with shelter activities. We had our rummage sale, and we had a great turnout and raised over $3,000 for the shelter. Thanks to everyone who donated items and to those of you who came out and shopped that day. We really want to thank you. And of course, we want to thank the volunteers who worked hard setting up the sale and cleaning up afterwards. And it was really a nice little fundraiser for us. And then we also had a spring work day the same weekend, and we had a good number of volunteers that came out to the shelter, and the weather was perfect. We were able to get so much done. The gardens got cleaned up and fertilized. Some landscape rock got moved into place. Our pine trees got trimmed. Some of the dogs up for adoption got to go outside and enjoy a really nice walk. Inside the shelter, the cleaning got done along with some painting. Dedicated volunteers scooped the dog yard and cleaned out the shed. The first number of pine seedlings got planted as well. A big thank you goes out to all the volunteers who gave their time, talents, and energy to make our spring day so productive. Over the last few years, we've had engraved papers available to purchase, which can be a dedication or memorial to pets or people. The proceeds benefit the shelter animals, so it's a nice way to memorialize a pet or a person and go out and see the paver in the gardens. And we've placed the first of the pavers out there, and we have room for lots more, and we will be putting out more as they become available. And the pavers are $50 each, and you can stop by the shelter or go on the website for more information on ordering those. They're really nice, they're beautiful, and a nice way to remember somebody. We have our featured dog of the week. That is Maggie. She is a female Brittany Spaniel Lab mix, about 9 months old. She's very energetic, loves people, loves to play, would make a great family dog. She's very sweet and loves to just come and sit by you. So come out and check her out along with all the other dogs. And our featured cat of the week is Peyton, and he's a male cat about 7 to 8 months old. He gets along well with most of the other cats of the shelter. I've been told he's unbelievably lovable. He's very curious and playful, so go check out Peyton. And then we also, our next big thing is our motorcycle raffle. We're going to be raffling off a 2009 Harley-Davidson Dyna Super Glide custom motorcycle. It's a value of $13,000. The second prize will be $500 cash. And the third prize are 5 chances at $100 cash. The tickets are $20 each, and they're available at the shelter or from any of the board members. The winners will be drawn at Shelterfest, which is towards the end of August at the Hotel Shoreham. And you don't need to be present to win, so it's a nice chance at some wonderful prizes and a great way to help out the shelter at the same time. Another way you can help out the shelter, a real easy way, is to drop off the We Care receipts that you get from Central Market. And you can drop them off at the shelter or over at Becker Pet and Garden. They have a spot there you can drop them off. And 1% of the amount of each receipt will go to the shelter if you drop them off at those locations. It's an easy way to help out the shelter, and it's been a very good, we've gotten a lot of good funds from that project. Another thing we've got coming up is our 3rd annual plant sale, and that will be Saturday, June 6th, and that starts at 11 o'clock, and I'll be bringing over a good selection of potted perennials, as well as something new this year. I have potted red pines that are about a foot or so tall. They're very nice, and they will be all reasonably priced, and 100% of the proceeds will benefit the shelter animals. So it's a great way to help out. Besides helping out the animals, you'll be getting some real nice plants for your yard. And a couple other easy ways to help out the shelters to drop off aluminum cans at the recycling location, which is along Highway 59, just north of Highway 10. Just tell them that you want to donate the recycling money to the shelter, and they'll do that for you. Another easy way, of course, is to come out and walk the dogs, or just spend some time with the cats. They all enjoy that, and they will really benefit from some personal one-on-one attention, which they really need after being in their kennels quite a bit of the day. Another way is to help transport cats and kittens to PetSmart, which is we have partnered with them for adoption days, which are held the second Saturday of every month. And it's a very successful program. You can contact Cassandra at the shelter. We've been able to adopt out many of our cats through that, and the adoption fees still go directly to the shelter. So it's been a very good way for us to adopt out more cats than we're able to just from our own shelter. So we hope you'll come and join us at some of our upcoming events. We've got also the Hogs for Dogs event coming up, and that'll be June 20th. And we'll be talking about that more in the next coming weeks, so stay tuned in for that. And we hope to see you next time on Petcetera.